Hello, my name is Kim Westcott and I am the registered dietitian for Beebe Oncology services. Welcome back to this segment of Cooking with Kim, and today we are making smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are perfect for this time of year because they are refreshing and they're so easy to make, and they are beautiful when they're finished. So to start with, we're going to start with our liquid first. Today I have some almond milk that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 4 ounces of my liquid of choice. Some people choose fruit juice. Some people will choose cow's milk. You've got almond milk, coconut milk, whatever kind of liquid that you desire. For our smoothie bowl today, I'm going to be using some dragon fruit. And we're going to use 2 packets of dragon fruit puree. You can also get the packets of the acai berry. And this is what gives your smoothie bowl that beautiful color. And then you're going to add a little bit of fruit. A half a cup of, I have blueberries today, but you can do strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. It's a half a cup of that. And then I'm also going to put in some banana. And so for folks who need a little bit more protein, you could always add a scoop or 2 of protein powder, or if you have some peanut butter powder, you could add that. Of course, if you're using a cow's milk or a soy milk, you'll get more protein with those products rather than the almond milk or fruit juice. Turn it on and we're going to let it blend for roughly 30 to 45 seconds. Isn't that a pretty color? And you're going to pour it into your bowl. Should be pretty thick. And if you add the protein powder, actually it will make it thicker. And this is where you make it really pretty by putting some toppings on. So I've got some granola. I've got some cacao nibs. I've got some dark chocolate chips. And there's so many things that you can use as toppings. If you're needing some extra calories, of course the granola, shredded coconut, the chocolate chips. Then we're also going to put some fruit. I've got the whole blueberries. We're also going to slice up some banana on top. You have a beautiful smoothie bowl. Quick and easy. You can use this as a meal, as a snack. And as I mentioned, you can make it higher in protein by adding the protein powder to it, or using a cow's milk or soy milk. Add extra calories with the toppings that you choose. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you come back.